In this video I will tell you how to enable Hibernate option. So restart, begin. First you type control panel, search bar, and this window open. Select large icon and go to power option. After this choose what power button it does. Click here, and when I press the power button, choose option Hibernate option and save here. One time restart, cancel this and restart PC. You are showing here, this is, you can see Hibernate option. Okay, so information is, you like my video and subscribe my channel.